So if you're getting frustrated that your Meta Quest 2 is blurry, don't worry, I have a few tips and tricks that hopefully should help you out. So the first thing is to check your IPD settings. This just means the distance between your eyes should match the distance between the two eyepieces in the headset. To fix this, you would look inside your headset. Between the two eyepieces, there's actually a number in the middle top. It's either going to say 1, 2, or 3. To change the settings, you would grab one of the eyepieces and either pull it to the center to make them closer or pull apart to the edges to make them farther apart. You should just play around and see which number looks the best for you, either 1, 2, or 3. We all do have different distances between our eyes, so here's a really cool hack. If you feel like you're in between two numbers, you can actually put the eye parts right between those two numbers. It's just not going to click in place. If you just glide it slightly and leave it on there, it will stay. So number 2 is to make sure that your lenses are clean. After fidgeting around with the eyepieces on your headset, it's going to have fingerprints, oils from your finger, you might be sweating in your headset. So make sure to clean your lenses, and when you do, use a proper glasses rag. I have this one. Don't use your shirt because you might have dirt or particles on your shirt which could scratch your lenses, and that will make it even blurrier. Number 3, so if you don't wear glasses, you might not have noticed that the headset came with glasses spacers. So for some people, using the glasses spacers, even if you don't wear glasses, actually helps with making the picture look clearer. It just increases the distance between the display and your eyes, and for some reason, this helps people. Number 4, your headset might not be sitting on your head properly, and this is a point of contention because it's kind of hard to adjust the headset with the original strap. But I do have a video on how to adjust the original strap so that way it's properly seated on your head, which you can watch up here. But basically, if your headset is not properly seated on your head, then it could be angled downwards or upwards, or maybe shifted to the side or the other side. And you really want to get the eyepieces of the headset to match your eyes as much as possible. I actually recommend that people get a different strap for your headset because the original fabric strap that comes with the headset really isn't that good for getting the headset perfectly balanced on your head. Now, if you want some recommendations for headset straps with a battery, without a battery, I'll link all my recommended VR products and accessories in the description below. So number 5, not everyone here will be able to do, but for those of you that have a really good gaming PC, you should take advantage of this and connect your Quest 2 to your computer. You can do this either using the link cable or the AirLink. Now what this will do is, instead of all the images being processed in your headset and the processor on your headset, it's actually going to be processed on your computer, which has a much stronger processor and graphics card than your headset. And what AirLink does is it passes the image that is being rendered on your computer to your headset. So you're gonna get a much crisper and much higher quality image. If you're not sure if your computer is strong enough to handle VR, you can just look online and check the settings. If you are one of those people that have scratches on your lenses, you'll notice that it is very blurry and it's very distracting, and it does not produce a clear image. So you don't actually have to throw away your headset. There is a somewhat fix for this. People have been using this product called Polywatch. I have not used it yet, but I've heard really great things. So just look up a tutorial for this somewhere. And you can also consider getting VR lenses. So this can be for people with or without glasses. So VR lenses actually go over the eye part of your headset, and this can be with or without a prescription. What's good about them is that they have a blue light filter. Because they're going over the eye part of your headset, it's protecting the lenses on the headset. So it's much cheaper to replace the lenses than to have to replace your entire headset if it gets scratched. But lenses are also really great for people who wear glasses. So instead of having to wear glasses, you can actually just use the lenses for your headset. If you're looking for recommendations, I'm going to link a video up here for 2 of the most premium VR lenses. They're a bit on the expensive side, so if you're looking for something cheaper that maybe isn't as high quality but just gets the job done, I'm going to link one below in the description called VR Rock. That one is 1/3 of the price and it works pretty well. So if you've tried all these tricks and you now want to check if you're getting the proper image that you're supposed to, all you need to do is go in your headset, open up the settings or something, and see if you can read the text on there pretty easily. It's never going to be perfect because of some hardware limitations, but it should be easy enough to read. If you like VR tutorials and also learning about the latest games and applications that you can use, make sure to subscribe to my channel.